Looking to upgrade your Chevrolet Trax with the most popular accessories on Amazon? These fan-favorite accessories deliver great value and rave reviews from fellow Trax owners. Let's check out what's trending and must-have for your Trax.
2 pieces. Chevy Trax screen protector. Center console organizer. Compatible with 2024, 2025 Chevy Trax.
In the middle of my console, so you just pop it in and it fits perfectly in the middle, and it helps kind of separate those two areas, and it's easy to pop in and out. It has a non-slit backing as well as a coin area for your coins, but super easy, so you can just pop your things in there and keep everything organized. So I really like it. I have a 2025 Buick Envista, and it fits with no issues, and I can close it.
Item because I
Center
wanted to keep my car clean and add some style
with
to it.
2024,
I use it to protect the inside of my car doors,
Chevy
cup
Trax.
holders, and console from spills and dirt. The set comes with 14 pieces in a bright yellow color, made to fit the 2024 Chevy Trax models. They're made from a tough, flexible rubber that's easy to clean and stops things from sliding around. These mats fit perfectly, don't smell bad, and make the inside of my car look nice. They're super easy to put in and take out, and cleaning them is a breeze. I really recommend these mats. They do exactly what they're supposed to, look good, and are made well. If you have a 2024 Chevy Trax and want to keep the inside looking good and free from mess, these are for you.
Center console organizer. Compatible with 2024, 2025 Chevy Trax. Dashboard pad, Sunshade Dashmat Center Console Protector. Center console organizer tray.
Console tray
compatible with 2024, 2025 Chevy Trax.
2024-2025. This console insert tray is designed for an OEM fit. Maximize the storage space in your Trax with our adapters. Center console organizer tray and say goodbye to cluttered consoles.
This item because I wanted to protect the hood of my 2024 Chevrolet Trax from scratches and
Aeroskin
damage.
hood protector.
I like to use this item for shielding my car from stones, debris, and
Chevrolet
UV
Trax.
rays. Some of the features are a smoke finish, a sleek, low-profile design, and a quick no-drill installation with automotive-grade tape. My experience with this item so far has been positive. The hood protector fits snugly and adds to the look of my Trax, providing a smooth, streamlined appearance while protecting the paint. The AVS Aeroskin hood protector is a great choice for Trax owners who want to keep their vehicle looking new. It blends style and functionality, protecting against damage while enhancing the car's appearance. I recommend this item to Chevrolet Trax owners looking for an easy way to protect their vehicle's hood and improve its overall look.
220 pounds crossbars roof racks. comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.